Teachers and Writers Collaborative partners with New York City schools and community-based organizations to offer dynamic, creative writing programs led by professional writers.
I'm a poet. And I know it. I've got my whole life. To show it.
Our programs inspire the imagination and foster self-expression, communication, and a lifelong love of literature. Teachers and Writers Collaborative was founded in 1967 by a group of writers and educators who believed that professional writers could make a unique contribution to the teaching of writing and literature.
The music is like inspiration. Like you write one line, you hear it, and then you stop, then you listen to the music again, then you write another.
To celebrate National Poetry Month, we went to Newcomers High School in Long Island City, New York, where there are 1,100 students from 92 different countries. They're learning to write beautiful poetry of their own.
Doesn't matter where I go, I can still hear the sounds of Yen. That's it.